Hello, welcome to R&R Mom Plans. My name is Angelique, and this is my channel on my planner style. In today's video, it is a plan with me in my content section for the week of October 25th through the 31st. I will be using the memory keeping holidays and colorful boxes in this spread this week. I have like a basic idea of how I want to do it, so I'm going to be using the Halloween section and the gold and black boxes. What I have left, gold and black boxes. I have these two, these three, and these 8. Alright, so I really like these scary eyes. I have to decide how I want to put it in here, because I know these look like they're made for the big happy planner. D. Oh, his little arm's gonna cover the 31st. That's not gonna work. Okay, maybe we should just go for your arms. Where's your arms gonna go? There you go. Alright. Oh, I just want a little bit of Halloween on the spread, because it is the week of Halloween. Yeah, I plan on using this also for another spread. Let's see. Do I want a ghost on here somewhere? Okay. Now I'm going to use the black boxes first. Because I have more of them. Not much more, but I have more of them. Then I'll come back with a gold box. See if I get lucky. Nope, not lucky. So we'll just go right here. And then alright, and then we're going to use, because of the googly eyes, I'm wondering, I don't think it's the right color. Of green, but it might be. If I just pull a little bit of this green to pull with the eyes, I think that'll go really good. I think it was this one. So let's check out. And I think it was this one. But it looks like I have this. And I have this. So let's do, let's pull up this guy just a little bit. Come on. There we go. Go back to black and gold. Just kind of everywhere. A little bit of black here, a little bit of gold here, a little bit of green. And then I wish I had more of that green. That would have looked good, especially if I could have brought it over here. And I don't really do anything on Saturday and Sunday. I normally just label my live videos. Okay, let me just go back to the green because I feel like I really need to pull it, even if it's just the bullets or something. See, and I really want to use it because it's the right green. And I really don't want to bring in another sticker book just so I can have green squares. Should I bring in the light green? It's like I'm forcing the green into the... I need this green right here. Can I get that little guy to come up just a little bit without tearing? Is it in the cards today? Is it in the weather? What's going on? What are we doing? It's not really in the cards, but a little tear. And it'll still go down nicely. Okay, so that'll be the green. It kind of lines up. I think that. Now, there's my green. I only have one, so I can only use one. Let's move this over here, actually, since there's only one. Alright, I'm gonna do one more box here, and it can't be black. I really don't want it to be the same size. I guess it can be bigger. Okay. So really, this spread is green, black, and gold. And I think that's okay. I didn't want to put this one on because I want to use it for a different spread. same as these. Alright. So, I feel like that was quick. It's always quick to me whenever, like, I have an idea, I sit down and I'm like, okay, what do you want to do with this spread? And I'm like, okay, I want to use this sticker book, this layout, this layout. And then it's like, done. That's how I feel about it. I think that's why it goes so fast. For me, anyways. But this is the content section social media planning for the week of October 25th through the 31st. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope that this spread brings you inspiration to your planning style. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, subscribe to the channel. For notifications, just ring that bell. I always welcome your comments, and until next time.